this video, we are going to discuss how you can determine the frequency of various noise sources in your design using the Agilent 4000X series oscilloscope. The 4000X utilizes Agilent's patented MegaZoom 4 ASIC, which provides the industry's fastest, uncompromised update rate, along with many powerful debug features never before seen in an oscilloscope. Let's begin. A powerful feature of the 4000X is its ability to do high-resolution, fast Fourier transforms, or FFTs, of your signal under test. This allows you to look at your time domain signal in the frequency domain, which can be a very powerful tool for determining noise on a waveform. In this example, we have a base signal with high-frequency noise riding on top. You could set up a gated measurement to look at just a signal riding on top of the waveform, but it may not give you a direct indication of the noise coupling in to the waveform itself. Instead, let's look at an FFT of the waveform. I like to start by determining the frequency of our base signal. We can do that by easily turning on an automatic measurement. In this case, you can see that our base frequency is approximately 1 kHz. Now, let's turn on an FFT to view all of the frequency components. On the 4000X, it is very simple to set our span and center frequency. We can turn on our cursors to track the FFT and determine the magnitude of each of the frequencies. On the left-hand side, we can see the different harmonics making up the 1 kHz base signal, but on the right-hand side, we can see a frequency spike that is not part of that base signal. This is likely our source of noise. When we put the cursors on the waveform, we can quickly see that this spike is at 490 kHz. It is clear that we found the source of our noise. As you can see, a powerful FFT capability allows you to easily see the frequency content of your signal. You can then use the cursor capability of the scope to narrow in on potential sources of noise. To learn more about Agilent's new InfiniiVision X series oscilloscopes, contact your local Agilent distributor and ask for a demonstration. Thank you.